Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fundamentals of Engineering. In today's session we are going to see a part 6 regarding the mirror image, that is mirror image of clock. So when we look at the mirror, the clock reflection, how it getting, that mirror image reflection of a clock, that we are going to see. Here we are going to see some shortcut trick how the mirror image reflection formation of clock is getting place, that we are going to see. So watch this video, you will understand what is the shortcut trick. Based on that shortcut trick, how you can solve the mirror image problem of clock, that we are going to see in this lecture. So here the questions are based on the criteria that few figures are given, and you have to find out which is the exact mirror image of the given figure when we are placing the mirror aside. And this image formation is based on the principle of lateral inversion. So what is the principle of lateral inversion? The size of object will remain same. So whatever the reflected image up there, and before that reflection the size of object will remain same, only direction will change. So what is meant by direction will change? The left and right position, that will change. So left will view will be seen at right, and right view will be seen at left, and first is seen at last, and last is seen at first. So this is the principle of lateral inversion. Based on that we have to solve the mirror image problem of a clock. So before that, there are some clock time which gives the identical mirror image. Which are they? One is a 6 am or pm, and another 12 am or pm. So this gives the identical mirror image. So if you are getting the problem regarding 6 and 12, so directly write down the correct answer, because it will show the exact time. Now if suppose among this, if different time is given, how to find out that mirror image, that we are going to see, and based on that we'll see one shortcut trick. Based on that you can solve the mirror image problem. So 6 and 12 we are not considering. Among that, if the different time is given, based on that we are going to solve. Choose the correct alternative which closely resembles the mirror image of the given figure. So this is the given figure, and we have to find out the mirror image when we place the mirror aside. So this is our mirror. When we place this mirror aside, and how the reflected view will be seen at mirror, that we are going to see. So this is our clock. So now you can see this is a hour and this is a minute. This is a hour clock and this is a minute. So how it reflect when we are getting? So now you can see here this is 12, 3, 6, 9, again 12. So now the reflection will be perpendicular to the direction. So here we are getting the hour clock will be like this, at this position, in between 4 and 5. In between 4 and 5 the hour clock will be there, and the minute we are getting here at in between the 2 and 3. So like this way we are getting the reflected image of this minute at 9 and 10. So we are getting like this here, in between 9 and 10, in between 9 and 10. So this is the reflected image. So we are having the 4 option. Among these you can see here the minute and hour clock, here it is shown wrong, so this is not correct. Here it changed the minute position and hour position, so this is also wrong. Here we are getting exact near to that, but the clock and hour position it is wrong. So only D option is correct, which showing that reflected image of this object in between 4 and 5, that hour, and minute in between 9 and 10. So D is the correct answer. With reference to this, we will take another example. So here the reflected image of this, when we place the mirror aside, so this is our mirror we are placing aside, and while looking at the mirror, how the reflected image resembles reflected image we are getting. So you can see here, this is a hour and this is a minute clock. So it is showing 3. So opposite to that, with this reference line, it will show 9. So this is our hour in. Then you can see here at 7 it is showing, and when we take the reflection with this edge, it will show here at 5. That is minute. So 4 options are given. Among these, you can see here the option number D is giving the correct option number D. Option number C is wrong. It is showing a different timing. Then option number B is passing to the 9, so it is wrong. And option number C, option number A is showing different time. So option number D is correct. So how we are getting? So sometimes you are given the clock image, but sometimes you are given the time, and in between that time we have to find out the mirror image. We'll take another example of this. So this is the example. While looking into a mirror, the clock shows 9:30 as the time, and based on that we have to find out the actual time. Okay? So to finding out the actual time, we are having some rule, and based on that rule we have to get the actual time. The time is shown in the mirror, we want to find out the actual time. It is a mirror time, and we have to find out actual time among these 4 options, either A, B, C, D. So for that, rule number 1 is there, but it shows if there is any time in between 1.01 to 10.59, then we have to subtract it from the 1160. So you can see here the time is in between 1.01 to 10.59. So we have to subtract from this 1160. So 1160 we are having, and among these we have to subtract this reflected time, that is 9:30. So we have to subtract it. So we are getting here 3, then 11 minus 9 we are getting 2, here 1, this will be 0, that is we are getting 2:30. So option number 1 is gives the actual time. In this we are getting the mirror time, and we have to find out actual time. So this is the rule number 1. Based on that we have to get the exact time. So we got the exact time 2:30. Then this is the mirror image in the watch. It shows the 12:15. The correct time we have to find out among these 4 options. So here the time is exceed from this 10:59, right? So for that we have to use the rule number 2. What is that? If there is any time in between 10.01 to 12.59, then we have to subtract it from 23.60. So it is past 10.59. So we are not using rule number 1. So we have to use the rule number 2, which lying in between this time. So we have to subtract from 23.60. So this is our 23.60. From this time we have to subtract, that is 12.15. So here we are getting 5, then 4, then 3 minus 2 1, and 2 minus 1 1. So 11:45 that we are getting the correct time. The reflected time was there 12:15, and actual time we are getting, that is 11:45. So option D is the correct. So if you are getting the questions regarding the reflected time is given, and we have to find out the correct time, for that we have to use the rule number 1 and rule number 2. So based on this, these are some questions for your exercise, and from that we have to find out the correct time. The correct time we have to find out, and put your correct answer in a comment box. Hope you like this video. If you like it, Please stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon to get more notifications. Thank you very much.